Welcome to the APP2Speak iPhone demonstration for the Help page. To view the Help page, tap the APP2Speak logo to view the additional settings. The green question mark is the built-in Help page. Select to view this page. This page contains a Provider Review button, easy-to-read instructions, and a video demonstration. Select the instruction and view for further assistance. Notice the key on the Help page. This key allows you to create and save a password to turn edit protection on and off, preventing others from accidentally deleting or changing your customizations. Select the key and follow the instructions to create and change a password. Save your changes, confirm, swipe up, and turn on your edit protection. Type in your password, select the green Turn Edit Protection On, confirm, and then close out. Go to your customization, slide the button over, and you can see that the customization is protected. Tap APP2Speak logo, go back to the Help page, turn the Edit Protection off, type in your password, select Turn Edit Protection Off, confirm, and close out. Next is the option to set your preference to start APP2Speak on the text-to-speech page or custom page to bypass the preset pages. Tap the APP2Speak logo to view the additional settings. Select the Help page. Look for the toggle buttons down here at the bottom and to the left of the key. The toggle button to the left of the custom page, slide over to the right to turn on the custom pages. And here it takes you to the custom page. Go back to your Help page and slide the button next to text-to-speech and turn on your text-to-speech. Here's where you would type in your message, and then when you close out, it would take you to your custom page, bypassing the preset pages. For more information and/or to set up a free consultation, please send an email to support@app2speak.com. Thank you.